Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to download a PayPal statement. If you need a copy of your PayPal statement for record keeping, accounting, tax preparation, business tracking, or just to review your transaction history, the process is fairly simple once you know where to look. A PayPal statement can be useful when you need to check payments received, payments sent, fees, refunds, withdrawals, or any other account activity over a certain period of time. I'll walk you through it clearly, so you can follow along without any confusion. Whether you're using PayPal for personal payments, freelance work, online sales, or business transactions, this guide will help you find the right section and download the statement you need. To begin, log into your PayPal account and go to the Activity section. This is where you can view your recent PayPal activity, including payments, transfers, and other account transactions. It's also the area that helps lead you to your downloadable statements and reports. So, this is the right place to start. If you're trying to find a specific transaction first, you can also use the search or filter options inside the activity area to narrow things down. Once you're on the activity page, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You should see a download button there. Go ahead and click it. When you do, PayPal will take you to the report section, which is where statement and transaction files can be created and downloaded. This section is helpful because it gives you more control than simply looking at your activity on screen. Instead of checking transactions one by one, you can create a file that includes the details in one place. After you arrive in the reports area, select Statements. This option is specifically for generating account statements, so make sure you choose that rather than any other report type that may also be listed on the page. PayPal may show different reporting options depending on your account type, but for a normal account statement, the Statements option is the one you want to focus on. Next, set the filters you want for your statement. This is the part where you customize the report based on the information you need. For example, you may want to choose a specific time period, depending on whether you need a monthly statement, a statement for a custom date range, or records for a particular reporting period. This is especially useful if you're preparing documents for bookkeeping, checking income for a certain month, reviewing business expenses, or matching your PayPal records with your bank account. Once your filters are set the way you want them, click Create Report. After that, you'll be asked to select the file format and the date range. Choose the format that works best for you, depending on how you plan to use the file. If you just want to view or save it, one format may be more convenient, while another may be better if you plan to work with the data in a spreadsheet. For example, a PDF can be useful for saving or sharing, while a spreadsheet format can be helpful if you want to sort transactions, calculate totals, or organize your records. Also, confirm the date range carefully so your statement includes exactly the transactions you need. This step is important because choosing the wrong dates could leave out payments or include extra transactions that are not related to what you're trying to review. Taking a few seconds to double-check the start date and end date can save time later, especially if you're using the statement for accounting, tax records, or business reporting. Once those options are selected, the download will begin. Depending on your browser settings, the file may download automatically to your default downloads folder, or you may be prompted to choose where to save it. If you don't see it right away, check your downloads folder and make sure the report has finished processing. Sometimes reports may take a little longer to generate, especially if the date range is large or there are many transactions in the account. And that's all there is to it. That's how to download a PayPal statement quickly and easily. Once you know where the activity and reports sections are, you can come back anytime you need another statement for your records, your business, or your personal review.